friends. Today we're on lesson 70, hearing and saying beginning sounds. Today you're going to need paper and pencil, and we're going to start out by practicing some of our word wall words. So if you'll read with me, let's read some of the words on our word wall. Am, at, and, are, come, do. Are you reading? Go, get, he, I, is, like, look, my, me, put, see, she, the, to, they, up, we, was. Good job, readers. Now we're going to make a match with these words. Let's read the first word here and see if we can find a picture. Sound it out with me. P-it, pit. So we have a pot, a pit, and a pin, and we just read the word pit. I know which one we're going to point to. You got it. Now let's read this word. Pot. Which one is it? You got it. Now let's read this word. I think we know what it's going to be. Pen. Pen. There's a picture of the pen. Good. Oh, we're going to make some more matches. I see a picture of a hug, hot, and hen. Can you read this word? All right, what do you think it is? Did you get it right? You did. Hug. How about this word? You got it. Hen. How about this word? Sound it out. You got it. So today's rules, some words sound the same at the beginning. You can connect words that sound the same at the beginning. So we're going to play a word game. We're going to pretend we're going on a trip. We're going to pack for our trip. And everything that we take with us on our trip is going to start with the same sound as the place we're going. So I'm going to California, and I'm going to take a coat. It's your turn. What else starts with K, like California and coat? Say a few things out loud. Maybe you said cake or candy, or coins. All right, good job. Let's go on to the next place for our game. This time we're going to go to the beach. I'm going to the beach and I'm going to take a balloon. What else can I take? You think about some words that start with B. Say them out loud. You could take a balloon, a ball, or Band-Aids, or maybe other words that start with B. Next, we're going to go to the fair. I'm going to the fair, and I'm going to take a feather. What else can I take? Say some words out loud that start with F. Fair, feather, fans, fuzz, and maybe you thought of some more. The next place we're going is Hawaii. I'm going to Hawaii and I'm going to take a hat. What else can you think of that starts with the sound that we can pack and take with us? Say those things out loud. Ham, horn, horses. Now we're going to the zoo. I'm going to the zoo and I'm going to take a zebra. What else can I take? Think about words that start with Z. Zoo, zebra, zipper, zero, zinc. All right, now you're going to need your paper and your pencil. I want you to choose a place that you'd like to go. And I want you to write it in a sentence. I want you to write it, and you can pause the video and copy the sentence. I am going to the, and then you fill in the blank. You can say market, that was my example, but you can put a different word right here. And I am taking mustard. So if I go to the market and take mustard, and then I'm going to draw, what I want you to do is after you write your sentence, draw 4 things that start with the same sound as the word you use in your sentence, as the place you go. So since I'm going to the market, all of my 4 pictures have to start with the sound, like mustard, money, monkeys, and mellow yellow. So parents, just have your children sound out the word that they put in the blank and put as many sounds as they can write in their sentence. And then have them go ahead and write those 4, or draw a picture of 4 items that start with that sound. And depending on how long it takes your child and how interested they are, you can have them label those pictures as well. So then let boys and girls, if you'll share what you drew with somebody in your house, or maybe just say those 4 pictures out loud that start with that same sound. Today, we're going to get to our poem, and our poem is going to be Little Miss Muffet. And I see Little Miss Muffet right here. You may know this nursery rhyme. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider and sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. So I'm going to ask you some questions. Which words in the poem rhyme? What if I told you Muffet rhymes with one of the words in the poem? Can you find it? Muffet, tuffet. Another part that rhymes, spider beside her. Way away. Now I want you to find the word sat in the poem. See if you can point to it before I show it to you. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet. Can you find sat? Listen to the sounds. Sat. I bet you found it here. And actually there's a sat down here as well. Another word I want you to find today is the word and. See if you can find the word and. Let's sound it out, or segment the sounds and listen to all the sounds you hear in and. And. 3 sounds. A-N-D. I bet you found it. A-N-D. A-N-D. And. All right. Thank you, boys and girls.